Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about some skincare, and I know I do a lot of that on this channel, and that's just because I'm really passionate about skincare products. I really want my skin to be, 100% perfect always, and I know that's not always the case, but that's why I'm always testing out new products and kind of, switching things in and out of my skincare routine. So for today's video, I want to share with you guys some skincare products that I've kind of added into my routine, and a lot of these are great products that I've already had a chance to test out, and these are from some less known brands, so that's why I wanted to share with you guys. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some new products that I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into reviewing these products. Okay, so the first product, this is a cleanser, and this is their Canadian Clay Pore Cleanser. So this is their packaging. I'm going to show you guys the jar that it comes in. So it comes like this. Coming close for you guys. So I want to show you guys the inside. The product itself is like this really kind of creamy, pasty, very nice textured cleanser. It has this very thick kind of consistency. It feels really nice, cooling on the skin. You get 4.2 ounces in this. I want to go over some of the benefits of this product and why I've kind of incorporated it into my routine. I know a lot of people have heard all the great benefits about clay masks and so forth. So according to the packaging, it contains fine microparticles of glacial marine soil, clay from West Coast of British Columbia, Canada, and carbonic acid ingredients. This intensive absorptive formula instantly eliminates excess sebum and waste, blackheads, makeup, and dead skin buildup inside pores, leaving skin tingly, clean, and refreshed. This pore clearing and pore caring formula also provides high levels of natural minerals to moisturize and smooth skin for glowing perfection. So to use this, you apply the product to your face at about 1 millimeter thickness, so not too thick and not too thin. You want it to do the work to your face, but without over drying it or anything like that. Definitely check out this. I really have been enjoying using this. So let's move on to the other skincare products. Okay, so the next is actually a really cool product that I've had the chance to try out for the first time. I haven't used a product like this before. This is the Gauze Peeling Green Tea. So what this is it's green tea exfoliating pads. So it's very, very cool to use. So as you can see, these are the pads inside. I'll come in close. So you can see the pads in there. And I really, really like this for several reasons. The first reason being is that it exfoliates your skin. So this is something that I would use after I get out of the shower and I've already cleansed my face and I didn't exfoliate or anything in the shower. I'll use one of these just to get rid of any excess dirt, oil, makeup, anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys. So basically I'm just going to take out one of these like so, as you can see. And it has like this little slit for you to put your fingers in. And so what you're going to do is you're going to exfoliate this around any of the problem areas. I personally do the whole face just because I feel more refreshed. But on this has kind of this wet residue, so it's very gentle exfoliating, which I really like. So basically these are exfoliating pads and they have a calming and soothing benefit to them, so it's not going to leave your skin like really rough and like red after you exfoliate. It's going to calm and reduce the redness in the process of exfoliating, which is awesome. These are the BioPeel Advanced Treatment Gauze Peeling, and this is the green tea. And it's basically going to promote visibly clearer, smoother, and moisturized skin. This is from Neogen Dermology, so definitely a brand worth checking out. Okay, so the last product that I wanted to share with you guys I've added to my skincare routine. These are from Dr. Jart, and you guys know I'm obsessed with Dr. Jart. This is one of my favorite skincare brands out there, and this is their Soothing Hydra Solution. This is their Deep Hydration Sheet Mask. So it comes in this giant packaging like so. So what I love about these is of course that they're hydrating, and I don't do enough hydrating masks. So it's a difference between hydration and moisturizing. This really is not going to make you break out. It's not going to make you too oily. It's really just going to put literally water back into your skin. A lot of times we don't drink enough water and our skin dries out, Simple things like drinking more water and doing these kind of hydration masks will reduce our aging, reduce any wrinkles, stuff like that. And ultimately reduce breakouts because your skin will be more balanced and hydrated. And it also has Aqua Ixal technology. This is a patented ingredient derived from plant glucose and xylitol for hydration and reinforcing skin via moisturization, replenish and protect a vital moisturizer in your skin. And lastly, it's a quick calming complex. So there's aloe vera in here, and it also has phytonicides, which are botanical extracts that provides instant cooling moisturization with healing and repairing dry skin properties to help soothe and relieve dry skin. If you're someone who has more on the dry skin, this is something that you need to incorporate into your skincare routine. I can't say it enough. And the elements of just being outside constantly really does take a toll on your skin and dries out your skin, believe it or not. So something like this is perfect. Again, this is something that you could use to travel with. It's super slimming, single-use mask, and I really love their brand. I can't wait to try out more of their products. So those are all the products that I wanted to share with you guys. Everything that I shared with you guys today, I picked up from skinboss.com, so definitely go check them out. They're my go-to to buy any type of skincare, anything like that. Go check them out. I'll leave a link in my description box below. And I really want to support them because they offer a lot of great like independent, smaller skincare brands that are not as well known, but doesn't mean that they don't have amazing products. So you can use my code StyleinCali to get 20% off your order, and I highly recommend you take advantage of this. There's so many great products that you can test out and get a little discount for it. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!